Are you a healthcare professional looking to advance your career in healthcare management? UK Versity offers the ATHE Level 7 Diploma in Healthcare Management, an assignment-based course developed to provide you with an in-depth understanding of healthcare management practices. Study anytime, anywhere with UK Versity's flexible online learning platform. Access your course materials 24/7, including ebooks, presentations, recorded lectures and more. Gain skills and knowledge that are applicable across a range of healthcare settings with UK Versity. The ATHE Level 7 Diploma in Healthcare Management will equip you with strategic management capabilities to take on leadership roles. Affordable tuition is payable in installments, making earning your diploma achievable. Receive personalized support from expert tutors who are invested in your success. Enroll today and advance your healthcare management career with UK Versity.